Okay, here we are going to do sums on ratio and proportion, okay, from ML Agarwal, and we are doing exercise 7.1. In this exercise, we have to know about basic terms regarding ratio. For instance, what do you mean by duplicate ratio? What do you mean by triplicate ratio? What is subduplicate ratio? What is subtriplicate ratio? Okay. So the first sum is we have to find the duplicate ratio of 2:3, 2:3, root 5:7, 5:6. There are three parts of this sum. So find the duplicate ratio of 2:3. So duplicate ratio means just square these two terms. Just square these two terms. For example, duplicate ratio of 2:3 will be 2 square is to 3 square. 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. It's very simple. For instance, find a duplicate ratio of root 5:7. What we are going to do? We'll just square root 5 and root 7. Root 5 square is 5 and 7 square is 49. So duplicate ratio of root 5:7 will be 5:49. Similarly, duplicate ratio of 5a:6b will be 5a square of 5a, that is 25a square, and square of 6b, that is 36b square. Okay. Similarly, find the triplicate ratio of triplicate. Triplicate means just we have to cube. Okay, so triplicate ratio of 3:4 will be 3 cube is to 4 cube. It's very simple. 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. Similarly, triplicate ratio of 1/2 and 1/3. So triplicate ratio of 1/2 is to 1/3 will be 1/8 is to 1/27. Similarly, for this triplicate ratio of 1 cube is to 2 cube. So triplicate ratio of 1 cube is to 2 cube will be 1 cube was given, so again we have put cube. 2 cube was given, so 2 cube into whole cube. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. Now 1 cube is 1, 8 cube is 512. This 2 cube is 8, and again this cube we have put. So 8 cube is 512. Next sum is find the subduplicate ratio. Subduplicate means, see, duplicate ratio meant squaring. We have to square the ratio. But when the word comes subduplicate means we have to put square root. Instead, duplicate is square, but subduplicate means square root. So subduplicate ratio of 9:16. So what we are going to do? Just square root of 9 is to square root of 16. That is 3:4. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Similarly, subduplicate ratio 1/4 is to 1/9. Okay. So what we are going to do? Just square root 1/4. So square root of 1/4. Square root of 1/4 is to square root of 1/9. So 1/4, the square root will be half, and square root of 1/9 is 1/3. Next, subduplicate ratio of 9a square is to 49b square. So 9a square, so square root of 9a square is to square root of 49b square. So square root of 9 is 3, a square will be a, and 49 is 7, so b square will be b. So 3a is to 7b. Next sum is find the subtriplicate. So we have already learned that triplicate means cube, but subtriplicate means a cube root. As a duplicate ratio means square, subduplicate means square root. Similarly, triplicate means cube of the root of the ratio, and subtriplicate means cube root of the ratio. So 1:216. We have to find the subtriplicate ratio of 1:216. So since here it is written sub, so we will, and triplicate means cube. So subtriplicate ratio of 1:216 will be cube root of 1 and cube root of 216. So cube root of 1, cube root of 216. Cube root of 1 will be 1, and cube root of 216 is 6. Okay, we all know how to find the cube root 216. So 2, 108, 2, 54, 2, 27, 39, 33, 31. So for every 3 numbers will take 1 out. So 2, and here there are 3 3s, so we'll take 3. So 2 into 3, 6. So cube root of 216 is 6. Next, subtriplicate ratio of 1/8 is to 1/25. So 1/8. So we all know that cube root of 1 is 1, okay, and cube root of 8 will be 2, means because 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Next, here again cube root of 1 is 1 and cube root of 125 will be 5. Similarly, sub-triplicate ratio of 27a cube is to 64b cube. So again so we have to cube root. So cube root of 27a cube. So cube root of 27 will be 3, because 3 into 3 into 3 is 27, and a cube a 64. So 4 cube is 64 and b cube is b. So 3a is to 4b. Okay. Next, there is a sums. If a is to b is equal to 2 is to 3, b is to c is equal to 4 is to 5, and c is to d is equal to 6 is to 7. So these three ratios are given. A is to b is given, b is to c is given, and c is to d is given. We have to find a is to d. So how do we find this? See, a is to b, we can write a is to b as a by b is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Okay, let me change the color of the pen. A by b is equal to 2 by 3. B by c is equal to 4 by 5. And c by d is equal to 6 by 7. So a is to b, we can write a is to b as a by b. So a by b is equal to 2 is to 3 means 2 by 3. B is to c means b by c is equal to 4 by 5. And c is to d. C is to d is c by d is equal to 6 by 7. And we have to find what? A is to d. A is to d means a by d. We have to find a by d. So how to find a by d? So see, if we multiply a by b into b by c and we multiply c by d, so what we will get? So see, this b and this b will cancel, this c and this c will get cancelled. So what we will be left with? A by d. So we can write a by d as a by b into b by c into c by d. So a by b is how much? 2 by 3. B by c is 4 by 5 and c by d is 6 by 7. Now let's cancel 3 1. 3 will go 2 times and okay, and nothing else is getting cancelled. So 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 7 into 5 35. So therefore we can say a is to d will be 16 is to 35. Okay, I hope it is clear. So to find a is to d, what we have done, we have just multiplied this a by b, b by c and c by d. We have multiplied this and we got, and if we multiply this we will get a by d, and a by d is a is to d. So 16 is to 35. Okay. Next, if x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3 and y is to z is equal to 4 is to 7, we have to find x is to y is to z. See, x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3, it is given, and y is to z is equal to 4 is to 7. Now if we notice over here, this y is over here also in this ratio and y is over here also, but the problem is here y, the value of y is somewhat 3 and here the value of y is given 4. Okay, so when we are going to write x is to y is to z, so x and z we don't have any problem, but for y we have a problem that here y is 4 and here y is 3. So to write x is to y is to z, we have to make this y, both this y, this 3, this y and this y similar. So how to make these two similar? So see, here we have got 4, value of y is 4. So if we multiply this by 4, so this will become 4 3 is 12, and if we multiply this 4 by this 3, so this 3 into 4 will be 12. Okay, so here we will get the value of y as 12, here we will also get the value of y as 12, but we won't multiply 4 only by this value, we have to multiply this 4 by both x as well as y. So 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12, and here y is to z will be 3 into 4 is 12, and again 3 into 7 21. So now our problem is solved. Value of y is 12, here also y is 12, so x is to y is to z will be 8 is to 12. So now we don't have any problem, both the value are same, so 8 is to 12 is to 21. So we got the value of x is to y is to z. I hope it's clear. Next, if 3a is equal to 4b is equal to 6c. So how to solve it? We have to find a is to b is to c. So how to solve this? So see, 3a is equal to 4b is equal to 6c. This is given. So all are equal. So let's take this as k. We say let this be k. So we can say that this 3a is equal to k, 4b is also equal to k because all are equal, and 6c is also equal to k. Now a will be k by 3, b will be k by 4, and c is equal to k by 6. So a is to b is to c will be k by 3 is to k by 4 is to k by 6. Now since k is common, so we can remove k. So 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. Now we can't leave ratio in the reciprocal form, so we have to make it a whole number. Okay, so 3, 4 and 6. So we'll take the LCM of 3, 4 and 6. So LCM of 3, 4 and 6 will be 12. So what we are going to, what we are going to do is LCM of 3, 4 and 6 means we are taking the LCM of these denominators. So the LCM will be 12. Now with this 12, we are going to multiply each term, that is this into 12, this also by 12, this also by 12. So 3 1 3 4, so this will be 4, 4 1 4 3, so this will be 3, 6 1 6 2. So the value of a is to b is to c is equal to 4 is to 3 is to 2. I hope it is clear. Okay, the next sum is if 3x plus 5y divided by 3x minus 5y is equal to 7 by 3, we have to find x is to y. We have to find x is to y. Okay, so 3x plus 5y by 3x minus 5y is equal to 7 by 3. So to find x is to y, we'll just cross multiply. So this 3 will get multiplied by 5x plus 6y, and this 3x minus 5y will get multiplied by 7. So 3 into this 3 got multiplied by 3x plus 5y. So 3 into 3x is 9x plus 15y, and this 3x minus 5y got multiplied by 7. So 7 into 3 is 21x minus 35y. Now we'll take x on one side and y on the other side. So here it was 21x, so we have taken this plus 9x onto this side, so 21x minus 9x, and here there was 15y, so we have taken this minus 35y onto this side, so 15y plus 35y is equal to 40y, and here 21x minus 9x is 12x. So now we have to find x is to y. X is to y means what? X by y. X is to y means x by y. So here it is x. If we can take this y onto this side, so this will become x by y is equal to, here it was 40. If we take this 12 onto this side, this here it is multiplied, so here it will be divided. So 40 divided by 12, so 4 3 is 12, 4 10 is 40. So x by y is equal to 10 by 3. So x by y means what? X is to y. So x is to y is 10 is to 3. Okay, next, if a is to b is equal to 3 is to 11, okay, we have to find 15a minus 3b is to 9a plus 5b. This sum is exactly the reverse of this sum. Here we have to we have to find this x is to y. Here the value of x is to y means a is to b is given, and we have to find this. Okay, so whenever the ratios are given a is to b, we can write this as, see, a is to b is a by b is equal to 3 by 11. Now this is ratio, so we can always take a is equal to 3k and b is equal to 11k. We because this a is a multiple of 3 and b is somewhat multiple of 11. So just listen, what does the ratio means? Suppose if I say 12 by 15, this is the ratio. But when we write the ratio, suppose a is 12 and b is equal to 15, and when we write this ratio, how do we write the ratio? So we do what? A by b is equal to 12 by 15. So 3 4s are 3 5s are. So when we write the ratio, we write 4 is to 5 instead of 12 and 15. The actual number is what? 12 and 15. Actual number is 12 and 15, but what while writing in the form of ratio, we write 4:5. Okay, so if we take a is equal to a is to b is 3:11, so a is what? Not exactly 3 but a multiple of 3. So we take a is equal to 3k and b is equal to 11k. Since see here we have divided both by 3, so this k will be same. So a is equal to 3k, b is equal to 11k. Now we have to find the value of this. 15a minus 3b is to means divide 15a minus 3b divided by 9a plus 5b. Now we have the value of a is equal to 3k and b as 11k. So in place of a, put the value 3k, and in place of b, put 11k. Okay, and we'll get the value as 16 by 41. Okay, there's another method of solving this. Okay, I'm doing it on the other page. Okay, here it was given a is to b is equal to 3 is to 11. So a by b is equal to 3 by 11, and they have asked us to find the value of 15a minus 3b divided by 9a plus 3b. Okay, so value of a by b is given. So if we divide this both by b and here also by b, if I divide both numerator and denominator by b, what we will get? We will get 15 a by b. This b is underneath 15a as well as underneath 3b. So minus 3b by b. Now 9a by b plus 3b by b. Now see 15 into a by b minus this b and this b will cancel. So this will be minus 3. Now here 9 into a by b plus here b and b will get cancelled, so plus 3. Now in place of a by b we will put the value 3 by 11. Okay, here also. So see, here I have solved 15 a by b minus 3 by 9 into a by b plus 5. This we got. Now in place of a by b we'll put this value 3 by 11. So 15 into 3 by 11 minus 3 divided by 9 into again 3 by 11 plus 5. Now here we'll take the LCM. So see, 15 into 3 is 45. So this will become 45 by 11 minus 3. Here this 9 into 3 is 27. So 27 by 11 plus 5. Now take the LCM 11. So 11 we have taken the LCM. So at the numerator we'll get 45 minus, and here we have got what? 1. So 1 will go 11 times. So 11 into 3, 33 divided by 11. Here again we have taken the LCM 11. So 27 plus this 1 will go 11 times. 11 into 5, 55. So this 11 and this 11 will cancel. So 45 minus 33 is 12, and 27 plus 55 is 82. So we got the value 6 by 41. Here the value was also 6 by 41. Okay, that's the end of the first exercise. Okay, that is 7.1.